So next up, guys, got a really nice day cab here. This is a 2017 Peterbilt 579 coming in from a local farmer. This one's got right around 503,000 miles, but this one's just set up nice. It's got the Allison automatic 6-speed transmission, a nice little day cab truck with aluminum rims, wet kit, PTO. It's got the Paccar MX-13 diesel motor. And this one was pretty well outfitted with all the options. In the interior, you got 2 air seats up front, power windows, power locks, kind of a premium interior in these 579s. This one has air ride seat that's automatic leveling, air ride suspension for the truck. Starts up, runs good. No known issues with the truck, guys. Guy brought in a couple different vehicles and a trailer. Stuff's in real good shape, good consignor. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Fire's right up there. Just a nice running, good looking truck. And like I said, this is Allison automatic 6-speed. It's hard to find these good day cabs with that 6-speed Allison in them. Perfect grain hauling truck. I think that's what he used it for. He used it to pull a hopper bottom. And this one would do that perfectly. Garrett will just do a quick spin around the yard for you. Full lockers as well. Good running day cab. Buy with confidence, guys. So there's the demo, 2017 Peterbilt 579 day cab. Go, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.